morning, Fly Babies. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday, so for both at-home Fly Babies and payroll Fly Babies, we're going to get up before the family, do our morning routine, from brushing our teeth to emptying the dishwasher. We're going to get it all done, and then we're going to help our children with their morning routines. And then, if you're a payroll Fly Baby, you can feel confident that your beds are made, your sinks are clean, your toilets are swished, breakfast has been fed to your children, their children are dressed, they have everything they need for school. No one's going to be calling you today because they left something out of their backpack or they didn't bring their lunch, because you took care of it last night and this morning. And now you can enjoy your day at work and do your very best. Now let's look in and see what's happening at home today. Today, at home Fly Babies, we're doing car and purse day. So today I want you to make sure you go and look in your car and get everything out that doesn't belong in a car, right? Anything that can become an unidentified flying object if you end up slamming on the brakes. And then if there's something you want to keep in your car, make sure that it's in a good place, like a little something to hold your trash or something like that. Just make sure it's in a good place so it's not going to fly around if you do slam on brakes. And then make sure you have your things ready to go in the trunk, because every day I know you've been putting things in there or in the back of your car that you want to give away on Thursdays, right? And then go in the house, empty out your purse, and only put back in the things you really want to keep. Throw away the things that don't belong in there in their trash, and then put the things up that don't belong in a purse, like pacifiers or, I don't know, 5 pens or 15 lipsticks. You know how that happens. Just take care of that today. It's quick and easy and you'll feel so good. Now, business Fly Babies, payroll Fly Babies, you can do the same thing. Remember, I tell you to keep bags in your drawer, so take your bags out of your drawer like your grocery store bag, go to your car on your break and just give it a quick go through and get the stuff out that's trash, throw it away. Take the other bag and put everything in there that belongs in the house and leave it in the car in the bag in the front, so you'll be able to grab it when you get out today, when you get home. Also, go ahead and dig through your purse. You may not want to dump it out, but dig through your purse and get out the trash. Take another bag and put all the things that have migrated to your purse, so when you get home you can also put those away. All right, what else is happening? Let's look again at the at-home Fly Babies. At-home Fly Babies, don't forget to do your breakfast, after breakfast, do your laundry routine and your paper routine. So get your laundry started, get your paper, if it's in stacks, go through a little inch of it and just sort it out. Put the things that need action and filing in the in basket at your desk or your work area. Everything else gets shred or recycled or thrown away. So payroll Fly Babies, you can do the same thing. When you get home, start your dinner, start your laundry, and to go through your paper. Don't forget to finish the process on the laundry, at-home Fly Babies and payroll Fly Babies. Now, what else is happening today? Well, let's see. We've got our after dinner routine and our before bed routines, but it's also date night. So make sure the children go to bed at their regular school night time so you can enjoy the evening alone with your husband and really have some quality you time, together time. Or, since it's still morning when you're watching this, hopefully, you can make arrangements for your mom, your neighbor, your friend, or some teenager to take care of your children for a little bit while you go out and have a little supper with your honey, or do something fun like that, maybe catch a movie. Whatever it is you do, I hope you enjoy it. Remember, one day your children will be grown and you and your husband need to maintain that relationship during all the years that you're raising them. That's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.